First challenge is how to speak in English, how to improve my English in a very fluently and a very fast to grow. But I want to speak fluently and very fast. But I am watching some videos, a very large amount of more videos and watching on YouTube, but cannot speak in English because I am not practicing in every day. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Vedya. So friends, in this video I am telling you, if you want to learn English and speaking to English very fluently, but don't know how to start and don't know speaking English, very mistakes and every time feel like a sigh. But how to improve English? Because our also my case, in my case, I have a very many problems in English speaking. I am learn some, I understand little bit in a learn speaking English, but cannot speak English in a fluently. But I want to improve my English speaking practice. But how to practice? Because you case also, your case also, because you every day watching more and more videos on YouTube to how to speak in English, how to practice English, but you don't try. Why you not speak in English? So that's why you only you watching more and more videos but cannot try. So I also case, in my case also, I am not trying. So this is my problem. So how to speak in English? So I am now how make a routine in my daily, how I am use in my everyday life, in my routine, to everyday speak in English and improve my English. But how? So your case also, you want to speak in English, yeah, I am right. But how? Everyday practicing. You only watching more and more videos, but you don't try and not speak in English. Only you watching in English, you must be try to speak in English. Because this is the main problem in any of you. And there are many peoples who only watch many more than videos on YouTube to how to learn speaking English, but not try, not every day speak in English, only watch more than videos to how to speak in. Because you listen more than, and every day you listen carefully and keep listen, but you don't speak, you not speak. So you not improve your English. Because I am also, but I am trying to speak in English in every day to improve my English. I don't know what is my, how I speak, how I can speak. So every day think I can speak, but you only think I can speak, I can speak, I am speaking, but you sorry. So it is your problem and I also problem. More than you watch English videos and how to learn speaking English, but you don't speak in English. So that's why where we cannot able to speak in English. So every day think in English. So I am a new video uploaded to how to think in English. Because I am also not a think in English and some little bit I think in English. Because I have not a new word coming in my mind, my head. So how I can speak, because my mind is not any coming words, like every word in a think in Hindi, because our mother tongue is Hindi. I am thinking in Hindi, and that's why I am translate in English. So this is the wrong. You must be thinking in English also. So this is a video in my channel English with Vedya. So I, according to my every day, you also and me, we are trying every day, okay, right? We are trying and speaking only, not watching more than video. You watching in a English videos, only English video, not how to learn speaking English, how to practice speaking English. You listen, and not more than you listen, only some videos you listen one or two, not decrease your listening increase, but you see decrease your videos, because you watch many videos in your YouTube, and that's why your mind is not working. You not speaking, only you watch. So thanks for watching. This is my video. If you are new on the channel, please like, subscribe and share, and follow me to learn speaking English and watch, because this problem me also, and I want to improve my English. I want to become a very fluent speaker in English. So let's start it with all together. We are learning speaking English. So every day speak English and think in English. So guys, thanks for watching till the end. Let's Thanks for watching.